Hey guys, Anson here for Ivey's Forge Homestead. So, sun's going down. I actually just got home from work, but it's a beautiful day. I'm only out here in basically a hoodie. It feels great. So, I told you whenever I get some great weather is whenever I get out to the forge. So, let's go ahead and get this thing lit up, and we're gonna try to finish one of these projects that I really needed to get done. That way I can send it out to someone. All right, so let's go. Alright, so while I continue to get this fire going, getting some of that fresh coal down the bottom coked up and getting it nice and hot, I already got my steel sitting over here of what I'm working with. Alright, I'm going to show you this jig also that we're going to be working with. Alright, so here we go. This is the Versa jig. This is actually a jig that is made from one of our guild members that had sold it to someone else, and the guy that I work with had sold it to me because he's cleaning up shop. And let me show you what this thing looks like. All right, here we go. So as you look, it's fairly heavy. All right, has a bunch of holes in there, has a nice square shank on it. All right, so you can take this. I gotta move stuff away from my anvil. Move that. Move that. All right, let's see if this fits in my hardy. Oh, nope. That's all right, because it will fit into my vise. I just gotta move some stuff out the way. All right, so I'll get that opened up, and we'll put this, boom, right here. All right, there we go. I got it up into the vise. Still got my fire cooking. All right, got Woodstock watching it. All right, so what else comes with this little jig? So if we look in here, okay, we got other little pieces like this, okay, little pieces like this. So what this does is allow me to put a socket. So if I have a bigger socket than what I need, all right, so first off, let's grab this little guy. Okay, we got our little pin. We go. Now we can put this into any one of these holes that we want, and as you can see, it goes around in a spiral that way. This one goes around in a spiral this way for infinite types of sizes that you're wanting to do that's away from this. So let's leave that guy right there. Let's come over here and get another piece. Okay, so now I want to get this one, because I'll talk about this guy later. This guy's stuck in the box. There we go. Got it unstuck out of the box. So let's take this guy. We'll come over here. And now we can take this, put it into the center. Now if I wanted to have whatever my radius was, so let's say I'm making a hook and I want my radius to be this size, okay, which is about 1 inch, maybe a little less, all right, then I can bend it around that. But let's say I want it to be a little bit bigger. Now we can come over here, Now I have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So I'm gonna go with the biggest one just so you guys can see what it will look like. So we bring it over here and then we stick it on. Alright, so that's actually really small, right? I can't get a piece of metal into that. So what I do is I take this out and I can find a different hole to stick it in. Alright, and then now you can see it actually has pretty good size. So if I need to make a hook, alright, and it has all kinds of different possibilities of what I need that for. Now let's say that this still is not big enough for what I need it to do. That's where this guy comes in. And what this allows me to do is put a socket onto that. So if I have a bigger socket than that other piece, then I can throw that on there and be even bigger. So let's go see if I have a big socket. Alright, so there we go. I'm actually on the other side, and this is actually the biggest socket I do believe I own. So this is a 1 1/4 1/2-inch drive, and boom, stick it on there. Alright, and then you can move your pin to whatever hole you need it to go to. Alright, Versa jig, because it's versatile. What? So we're going to be utilizing this today. So let's get our fire going.
Last night with some old friends, we were feeling alright, telling stories, that place we'd seen, and all the girls we chased in our dreams. Old Rob told us a lie about some girl he met the other night. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love, I'd do it again. Friends, good whiskey, hard love. I hope this life never ends. I remember it was about 18, we were young and wild and just chasing our dreams. 12-pack of beer, bottle of wine in my backed up to the lake all night. We watched the sunrise. That damn Robert tell some more lies. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love. I'd do it again. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love. I hope this life never ends.
Alright guys, I'm really fighting the sun, but there we go. Just a quick time lapse of basically taking a round stock to square, tapering it out. Once it's tapered out, nice long taper. Those are about 6-inch taper, and then taking it back to round. All right, those are very, very simple techniques, things that I don't really want to describe in this video. But if you want to learn how to do it, hit me up and we'll knock it out. All right, so now let's get these things heated up, and then we're gonna go into the VersaJig. And if you guys love that song, then please go check out my buddy Monty Dawson at the Monty Dawson Band. All right, I know I've played these songs before, but man, y'all, I love them, and I'm gonna keep playing them. All right, so go check him out. He's on YouTube. I'll put the link down in the description. He also has other links that I'll put down in the description. All right, give him some love. He's doing great things. All right, y'all. All right, so I got these two done. So now the last one that I'm gonna do, because I am going to have to where all three of these are attached together. All right, so I'm doing all three eyelets. So this third one, whenever I do it, I'm going to have to attach these to it before I close it in. All right. So now I'm gonna heat up more here, and then I'm gonna cool this off, and then I'm gonna put those other pieces in, and then I'm gonna close this up. All right, so here we go. And then I'll make an S-hook to go with it, get it cleaned up, and get it sent out to the owner. So this is actually going to the channel I have listed right here on the screen, and she had won this from Tim's giveaway over at Ridgelife. So hope you like it. It'll be in the mail soon.